There are many natural ingredients that you can use on your skin that will help your skin to look clearer, brighter, younger, and even free from wrinkles and fine lines. However, I have some favorite of my own. Some of my favorite are avocado, banana, eggs, papaya, cucumber. I also like to use a lot of natural oils on my skin. Today I'm going to share two of my favorite ingredients to use on my skin to tighten the skin, firm the skin, and clear my skin of hyperpigmentation. This will also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So if you're looking for a home remedy that you can use to lift, tighten, firm, reduce wrinkles, and leave your skin with a natural glow using all natural ingredients, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share a full recipe with you, and I'm also going to show you how best to use it on your skin for fast, effective results. For this recipe, you're going to need a small blender or a fork where you could crush your ingredient, or you can use a whisk. For this recipe, you're going to need banana, and banana is very hydrating to the skin. However, banana will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, such as dark spots and blemishes on the skin. You're going to need an egg, and you're also going to need some turmeric powder. So the first thing we're going to prepare is our egg. So let's just crack our egg. Pour this in our bowl. Now for this recipe, we're using the entire egg. So we're using the egg white, which is going to help to tighten the skin, and we're using the egg yolk, which is going to help to hydrate and nourish the skin to keep the skin looking young and fresh. And we're going to cut our banana. So let's peel our banana. Peeling our next half of banana. Once our banana is peeled, we're going to use both the flesh of the banana, and we're also going to use the inner peel of the banana, because that's where you're going to find the skin lightening properties from. So this is going to nourish, hydrates the skin and moisturize, and this is going to help to brighten and lighten the skin. So let's extract the inner peel by simple scraping. And next, we're going to chop our banana for easier blending. And now we're going to reach for our blender. We're going to add both the banana peel in the blender along with the banana. Next, we're going to reach for our egg. And we're going to pour this in the blender along with the banana. Now let's reach for our turmeric powder. And you don't need a lot of the turmeric powder, just a pinch. Right about this. A pinch of the turmeric powder, adding this to the blender. Now here I have an optional ingredient, and this is some dried orange peel powder. I'm using the dried orange peel powder to cut down on the scent of the egg to make it more pleasant. However, the dried orange peel powder is high in vitamin C, will help to brighten the skin, so it actually works very well with this mixture. So I'm using about a teaspoon of the dried orange peel powder. If you do not have the dried orange peel, here I have some dried lemon peel. You can also blend it to a powder, just like you did with the orange peel. Or you can choose to use some fresh lemon zest or some fresh orange peel zest or even some lime zest in this. And now I'm going to cover. Turn it over. Take a look, and let's pour this out. really creamy. So here we have our egg banana turmeric facial mask. Now, because we use eggs in this facial mask, I suggest you keep it only for 3 days in your refrigerator. However, you can choose to add a little bit of a vegetable glycerin to keep it for an extra day or two. So let me pour about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. Optional. This is just going to give you an extra day or two, and it's also going to help to moisturize your skin. So just whisk it in. And now let's reach for our storage jar and let's pour this in. And this is it, your banana egg turmeric facial mask. So to store the mask, as I just mentioned, store it in your refrigerator for no more than 5 days, even with the vegetable glycerin. And you're going to use this on your skin to tighten and firm, clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, hydrates and nourish the skin. So now let's go on the other side and I'll show you how best to use this on your skin for fast, effective result. Now here we have the facial mask, and now we're going to do the application. For this mask, I suggest that you use a brush to apply it. You can use your hands, but I prefer to use a brush. And you want to apply this to clean skin, so cleanse your skin before you apply the mask. And if you have not exfoliated for a while, I suggest that you exfoliate your skin to get the best result from the mask. Now, I don't suggest you dip in. I suggest you take a little, pour it on something, and then you use it so as not to contaminate the mask. So let's apply to the skin. And it smells really, really good. You're not smelling the eggs at all. You're more smelling the banana. Now for this facial mask, I like to apply 2 layers. So I like to apply the first layer, wait for about 10 minutes, and then I apply the second layer. And do not let this get in your eyes. And look how this mask just glides on the skin. Amazing. Now once you apply the mask, I could just keep applying this on my skin since it feels really, really good going on the skin. And it's really cool. It feels refreshing. Now, once you apply the mask on your skin, you're going to sit with this for another 10 to 20 minutes, preferably at least 20 minutes more for a complete 30 minutes. The mask is going to somewhat dry on the skin, and then you're going to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. Once you rinse off, pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. Now, this mask is safe to use every day. However, at least 2 to 3 times per week is best. If you want your skin to transform in a short amount of time, 2 weeks for say, then use it at least 3 to 4 times for the week. And remember to store this in the refrigerator for no more than about 5 days. So there you have it, guys. So there you have it, such an amazing facial mask. Not only is it amazing, but it is a very effective facial mask. So what you need to do is just to make it, give it a go, use it for a week or two, and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and your comments, as I said, are always important. I look forward to reading them, so leave your comment below the video. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.